Hello guys, welcome to the latest episode from Spotting, and today we are here at Newark North Gate, located on the East Coast Main Line, and also the first time I've filmed here before and done a Trains Out video here at Newark North Gate. So today here you'll be seeing services from LNER, Lumo, Grand Central, possibly Hull Trains, I don't know, because I've only seen the first three I mentioned definitely coming through, and East Midlands Railway as well, so you'll see them too. So like I said, I've never been here before. I did visit here on the Every Platform video from Lincolnshire. I was here at Newark North Gate. I wasn't here for very long, mind you, but I did say, I think in that video, that I would come here and do a proper film, and that is what I'm doing today. Yeah, there is a 47, West Coast Railway's 47 just parked over there as well, which is interesting. Wonder what that's doing. Probably nothing. It will probably just sit there, look pretty, and just, yeah, be there for added effect. Let's just say that. Anyway, so it's a good job we weren't here yesterday. There was a big trespass incident at London King's Cross, or near to London King's Cross yesterday. Everything was delayed, everything was massively disrupted, like towards the evening anyway. But today it seems to have cleared up. So it only happened last night, so today it's cleared up. So we shall see what happens. So if you do wish to check out any updates on trips and posts, please do check out my Facebook group. Also check out my Instagram at KTV Vids for story updates. So without further ado, let's see what's on offer here. Let's get started here at Newark North Gate. Okay, passing through now, we've got an LNER service from York to London King's Cross. And that is 800 107 heading through, running a couple of minutes late. That's nothing compared to the Leeds King's Cross that's due later. That's 41 minutes late. It's a points failure near Leeds, I think. Okay, passing now is an LNER service vice versa, London King's Cross to York. That is 801 205 heading through. Right, passing through now, we've got a Grand Central service to Sunderland. That one was 18114 heading through. Next stop for that one will be York. Right, passing through now is another LNER service, this time to Edinburgh from London King's Cross. That was 801 111 and 800 208 heading off to Edinburgh. Is going to be the 1107 LNER service from Leeds to London King's Cross. Sorry, York to London King's Cross. Hang on, is it even that? I think it's Leeds. I don't think it could be anything. Yeah, Leeds King's Cross. 800 102. Couldn't work it out there for a second, but yeah, I was certain it was Leeds, and it is. It was meant to come from Harrogate, but got cancelled in between Harrogate and Leeds, so yes. Okay, departing now is going to be the 1107 LNER service from Leeds to London King's Cross with 800 102. There goes that one. That's now calling it Grantham, Peterborough and London King's Cross.
The next train.
Okay, arriving in now is the 11:19 LNER service from York to London King's Cross. This one is 801216. Right, going out now is the 11:19 to London King's Cross. Which is 801216 heading off.
Peterborough and London King's Cross. This train has 9 coaches.
Bit of a last minute clip, that one. Okay, now we've got the very delayed 10:40 LNER service from Leeds to London King's Cross. This one's delayed by about 43 minutes, I think it is, due to a points failure. Got everything turning up.
LNER Azuma service to Leeds. Call it Doncaster.
This one's 801219. And as that one arrives, also arriving is the 11:23 LNER service from Lincoln Central to London King's Cross. This one's coming into platform 3 as it's the Lincoln bound platform.
And London King's Cross. This train has 5 coaches. First class accommodation can be found in zones 1 and 2. Standard class in zones 3 to 5.
800-204. Right, the partner now is going to be the 10:40 LNER service from Leeds to London King's Cross. The 11:23 is probably going to wait here a couple of minutes whilst this gets ahead. We've got another Azuma turning up now as well. The 11:30 to Leeds is turning up from London King's Cross. That's 801229 heading out. And arriving is the 11:30 service to Leeds.
Service to Leeds. Calling it Doncaster, Wakefield Westgate.
This is what happens when trains are delayed.
This train has 9.
Everything turns up in one go. This one is 801203. Okay, the partner now is the 11:23 LNER service from Lincoln Central to London King's Cross with 800-203.
And Leeds. This train has 9 coaches. Platform 1 for the 11:30 LNER.
Or supposedly going anyway.
Service to Leeds.
Yeah, I think it is. There we go.
Found in zones 4 to 2. Standard class in zones 10 to 5.
You can tell it's raining as well, can't you? $800-204 even, sorry. So that one goes. Call it Grantham, Peterborough, Stevenage and London King's Cross. Yeah, partner, there's 801-203 heading out on the 11:30 LNER service to Leeds from London King's Cross. And that's the flurry of Azumas gone now, so we do have some more bits turning up other than Azumas, but that's just a big flurry of them because of some delays. So yes, there it goes anyway. Okay, arriving in now is going to be a terminating East Midlands Railway service from Lincoln Central, formed of a 170. This is one of the two cars, so it is an ex-West Midlands Railway one. It is 170 506. Okay, there's that one, and we'll see it go out shortly. It's forming 11:40 back to Lincoln Central, so it will basically almost just be in and out straight away. Right, next train to arrive is the 11:47 LNER service from London King's Cross to York. So I'm going to wait here for a few minutes. The East Midlands Railway should be going out in just a moment. It's just turning around at the moment, but it is running late. Still says it's on time on the departure board. Not quite right, but it's updated now. It's 801-210. And there's that one. See it go out in a minute. Right upon it now is the 11:40 East Midlands Railway service to Lincoln Central, calling at Collingham and Lincoln Central. I think it's going anyway. The doors are locked. Is the signal red? No, it's not. It's amber. Oh, it's meant to go. Now it's going. Off that one goes. Next stop will be Collingham, probably in about 10 minutes from now. It's only about a half-hour journey to Lincoln. The gap between Collingham and Lincoln is quite big, so that one goes anyway. Right, passing through now is a Grand Central service from Sunderland to London King's Cross. They make a hell of a noise when they actually speed up and accelerate. They do sound very nice when they go through. The one goes to London King's Cross and Sunderland, 401-18112. Right, next train to depart is the 11:47 LNER service to York from London King's Cross, calling at Doncaster and York. It's 801-210. Doncaster. Right, going through there is 800 205 and 801 108. So that's heading through on an LNER service from Newcastle to London King's Cross. So there they go. Right, passing through now is an LNER service to Inverness from London King's Cross.
Please stand well clear of the edge.
800 104 on that one. Next stop again, York on that one. And that is the 1 a day service to Inverness. Right, passing through there was an LNER service from York to London King's Cross. It's the 12:24 past, 1 of 801 224. So that one goes. Right, arriving now is the 12:28 LNER service to Leeds from London King's Cross. This one is a 91. It is 91 106. So there goes 91 106, the 12:28 LNER service to Leeds from London King's Cross. So that one goes. Right, passing through now is a whole train service to Hull from London King's Cross. That's 802 305 heading through. And as that one goes through, I'm going to finish the video from Newark North Gate here. So thank you all for watching today's video from Newark North Gate. If you have liked what you've seen, do like and subscribe, and do leave any comments, because we'll get back to them as and when I can. And any recommendations are welcomed, of course. So please leave us in the comments. Been a very good first session here. It's been nice to actually spend some time at the station and actually see what's around. For a Sunday, actually, I'm quite impressed. Obviously, we've seen no Lumo here, but we have seen the other four. So we did see whole trains in the end, but we just didn't see Lumo. But it's not too bad, is it, really? I've enjoyed it. It was nice to see another 91 here as well. That was great. There was another one that was due, but unfortunately it's running nearly an hour late, which is the point of Leeds. So that one was actually meant to be in a Zoomer as well. I think, yeah, there's a lot going on today. It's very busy, which is good. Loads of Zoomers. That flurry of Zoomers was quite good as well. Anyway, so see you next time for the next episode of Spotting from me here at Newark North Gate. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.